Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So for my today's video, I'll be sharing my bag collection with you guys. So all the bags that I have या जितने भी bags मैंने अभी नए purchase किए हैं, everything will be featured in this video. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first category is daily wear. So daily wear के लिए जितने भी bags मेरे पास है, I'm going to show you that. The very first bag is this one. So this bag is from Zara and it's black in color and इस पे ऐसे texture है. And there's this gold chain with this bag and I really like this bag because the best thing about this bag is कि आप इसे daily में भी carry कर सकते हो, plus you can carry it in the night as well. Because of this gold chain, this bag looks really fancy, and if you wear it with a plain dress, you know, this gold chain will add like an accessory to your dress and काफी अच्छा लगेगा. Plus this bag has a bit of space. You can easily carry your phone, you can carry maybe a lipstick with you, a comb and some cash. इतना space है इस bag में. So it's a really nice bag. I've been using it since quite some time now. मैं इसे daily purpose के लिए भी use करती हूँ, मैं इसे parties के लिए भी use करती हूँ, and I really like this bag. The only thing is that this chain is a little heavy, but I mean the bag looks great, so I'm not complaining. And yeah, I don't know the exact prices of the bags, so my description box में link डाल दूँगी. And as far as I remember, I think I got this bag for rupees 1600. Okay, so the next bag is this bag by Charles & Keith, and as you guys can see, it's a new bag. I haven't used it yet, and I got this on a flat 50% off. And the first thing that I really liked about this bag is the shape of this bag. It's very different from the other bags that I own. It's square in shape and the color is really nice. It's a nice muted beige color. So आप इसे as a daily wear bag use कर सकते हो. You can take it to brunches and lunches. And yeah, so इसमें एक handle आता है. And under there's a sling also, so if you want to attach the sling you can do that. This bag is quite spacious, so you can carry a lot many things in this bag. And yeah, so price wise मुझे ये bag काफ़ी एक अच्छे deal में आ गया था. So yeah, this is my second bag. Okay, so this is the last bag of the category basic bags, and I got this bag yesterday. This bag is obviously from Zara because most of my bags are from Zara. And I was looking for a very basic black bag, and yeah, इसमें सबसे best चीज़ है कि इसमें ये थोड़ी सी gold detailing है which makes the bag fancy. Yes, yet it's very plain because इसमें ये black strap है इसके बाद. And the space is really nice. काफ़ी space है इस bag में. And yeah, so it serves my purpose. If I'm stepping out for grocery shopping or just some other work, I can definitely carry this bag. And I got this bag for rupees 2490. Okay, so the next category of bags is the luxury category, in which I have one bag to show, and it's a gift from someone. So this is the bag. It's by Michael Kors, and I really like this bag because the color is very pretty. It's in this beautiful tan brown color. And yeah, so you know, a bag like this of this size, you can carry it for dinners, for lunches or brunches. And if you're someone like me who does not carry a lot of stuff while traveling, you can use it for travel purposes too. And yeah, so इस bag में जो है 2 compartments आते हैं, and there's a single chain in this bag. So it's pretty spacious. And yeah, so I haven't used this bag a lot because I've just received it a few months back. So I can't talk about maintaining a luxury bag. But yeah, all in all, I really like this bag. पीछे भी it comes with a little space, so you can put in some cash or cards. And yeah, so this was my luxury bag. Okay, so the next category is the wedding category, and this is the first bag. So this bag is by Dune London, and it's a very pretty gold bag. I mean, I love how the bag looks. The best thing about this bag is that it's pretty spacious. So it comes with a lot of space. वरना काफ़ी बार होता है that bags like these, इसमें ज़्यादा space नहीं होता है, but इसमें you can easily carry your phone, a lipstick, you know, some cash, a comb, and even a few more things if you want. And yeah, so this bag is for rupees 9000. And yeah, I love how this bag looks. एंड आप इसे किसी भी चीज़ के साथ लाइक अगर आपने कोई सूट पहना है या कोई लहंगा पहना है, यू कैन कैरी इट विथ एनीथिंग. एंड अ गोल्ड बैग इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी इफ यू आर परचेजिंग bags for like occasion purposes. Okay, so the last bag of this category is this one, and this is by Esbeda, and it's a very nice silver bag. So since ये bag मैंने gold में लिया था, so this bag I purchased in silver, and yeah, it's a really nice bag. I think I got this for rupees 2000, and it's pretty easy to use. इसमें भी ऐसे एक gold chain आता है, and this is the space. And not a lot of space, but you can definitely carry your phone, your lipstick and some cash in this bag. And yeah, so it looks really nice. Again, you can carry it with anything, and I like these basic bags. I do not like a lot of glitter or like बहुत कुछ मुझे बैग से बने हुए अच्छे नहीं लगते. आई थिंक वेडिंग्स में हम ऑलरेडी इतने हैवी चीज़ें पहनते हैं कि लाइक सिंपल नाइस बैग्स लुक रियली नाइस. So yeah, this is silver in color and आगे ऐसा glitter texture है and पीछे this is the texture of this bag. So yeah, this was my last bag of this category. Okay, so the last category is the travel bags category, and इसमें I have one bag to show. So this bag is by Dune London, and this is how it looks. It's a very pretty mauve color, and it has two sections and one zip pouch. And काफ़ी spacious है ये bag. Also for people who carry a lot of stuff when they go to their office, like जिनको laptop या iPad carry करना पड़ता है, वो भी ये bag use कर सकते हैं. And so yeah, this was my last bag, and with this I am done with this video. Okay, so I am done with this video, and if you guys like the video, do not forget to hit the like button, and for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I shall see you guys very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.